Click detection. Click to clean. The instrument will automatically flush and fill the titration pipeline. Clean the electrode head with clean water. Dry with the tissue. Place the blank sample on the stirrer. Place the feed tube into the titration cup. Turn on the mixer. After soaking the electrode in solution for 1 minute, click on blank titration. Obtain blank titration volume. Remove the electrode. Clean the electrode head. Grip stem. Place a stirrer in the sample cup. Place the sample solution according to the titration method for the blank sample mentioned earlier. Click on Sample Titration. Obtain the titration volume of the sample. Click on the calculation result to obtain the final result. Click to return. Click on History to view. Select the previous operation record. Click to print. Print out the test results.